In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install WhatsApp Web as an app. If you're like many people who prefer the convenience of accessing apps directly from your desktop, then this guide is perfect for you. This method is particularly useful for those who use WhatsApp frequently and want to have quicker access without needing to open a web browser every time. So, let's dive right in and explore how to get this set up. First, you'll need to open your favorite web browser and navigate to the WhatsApp webpage. You can do this by typing web.whatsapp.com into your browser's address bar and hitting enter. Once the page loads, you'll be prompted to scan a QR code with your phone's WhatsApp application. Open WhatsApp on your mobile device, go to the settings menu, and select WhatsApp Web or linked devices, depending on your app version. Use your phone to scan the QR code displayed on your computer screen. And voila, your WhatsApp web interface should appear. Now, let's transform this web experience into a standalone app. Look towards the address bar of your browser. You'll notice an icon that resembles a computer screen with an arrow pointing downwards. This icon is generally used to install web apps directly onto your desktop. Click on this icon. When you do, a small drop-down box will appear, presenting you with an option to install. Click on Install. And just like that, the installation process begins. Your operating system will handle the rest, creating a shortcut on your desktop or application launcher. This shortcut will allow you to access WhatsApp Web without needing to go through the browser. You'll notice that upon clicking the shortcut, WhatsApp loads as a standalone application. It really offers the same interface and features as when accessed through a browser, but with the convenience of being its own app. This setup not only saves time, but also keeps your workspace organized and clutter-free with fewer browser tabs. It helps with focus and keeps the app just a click away. Plus, the app runs independently from your browser, making it easier to manage notifications and messages. Lastly, managing this app is a breeze. If you wish to remove it later, you can uninstall it just like any other application on your computer. For Windows, you would go through the control panel or settings. For a Mac, you would drag the app to the trash. And there you have it, turning WhatsApp Web into a desktop application that functions just like any other app on your system. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it enhances your productivity or simply adds a bit of convenience to your day. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.